have fun. We'll see what it's like. I think the last time that I've gone to a float, oh, there's Jack. You can see him in the rearview mirror. See him with the 19? So cute. Last time I was floating was probably maybe 30 years ago. Super excited to do this again. We're using kayaks, so I'll take you on the kayak with me. If you have not subscribed, please feel free to do so. I just like making videos about our lives, so if you want to stop in sometime, just hit the notification bell so you know when I've uploaded our next video. Thanks. We'll get on the road. The weather's perfect. It's 80 degrees. You what? Oh, cool. There's the bus that's going to take us to the kayaks, or take us to the drop point. It's gonna be great. Bye.
I'll help you into your kayak and I'll just get in.
Okay, we're gonna go through a couple of rapids here. Not bad. Those are mini rapids. Okay. It's kind of a nice little, like, crooked area instead of a big wide river.
You can't see it with the sunglasses on. I probably didn't see the black bear that was in the woods either.
Where?
I saw it was very quiet. They want to upset him or he's getting buried behind. It's not American Indian.
Beautiful. Jack, look at that big cave. There's gotta be bats in that thing. Definitely bats. There's no way I'm gonna go caving in that thing. No way. Turtles talking to each other. We're back at the car, and things I'm really grateful for this trip. A good hat. I got this from Free People this season. It was on sale in the boutiques. It's made by Rahi, one size. Really super roomy. So just really pretty, and it has the ties underneath if you want to tie them underneath your chin. I'm also grateful for river shoes, especially because I slipped so much. So those are the areas I slipped on the rocks when I fell in the water when I first got here. And the most important that I'm very grateful for is this Magellan Outdoors. So I put my phone in here, and right when I fell into the water, no water got to this phone. It's gonna snap shut on each side like that. And you can actually use the touch screen with it on. Magellan Outdoors. I'm gonna change into this poncho, just take off my wet swimsuit and change into this poncho made by Nomadics. Nomadics ponchos are awesome. I use it after hot yoga. It's made for surfing, so you can change clothes. Really easy to get out of the wet clothes. I had to enlarge this because the neck part was super tight. All right, to this thing. So literally I'm taking off pants. Nobody knows, right? So now I'm getting all that wet stuff off, and then stick my hands in here. See, car going by, no worries. And then super roomy, and taking off my top. So just took off my top. And you're dry. Oops, I came out of this way. And you're dry. Nomadics is amazing. So one of the things I'm super grateful for, this amazing float trip. Jack did this for our anniversary, so really grateful for him. Hope you all are having a great day. Again, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. We really appreciate it. Signing off. If you haven't checked out Meramec River, it's beautiful. This is the Meramec River Resort. Really nice.
I don't know how to turn those on for him.
You had a great day. You see your friends? You did? Who was there? Did you see Honey? I don't think Jack was there. He was only there Monday, Friday. I heard you got cheese sticks. You got cheese sticks? Yeah? You want to eat some tweet? You want to show a tweet?